Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn English in a fun and easy way. First, I'll tell you a short story to help you understand the words in context. Then, we'll go over a list of useful vocabulary, and at the end, you answer a few questions to practice and speak with confidence. Ready? Let's get started with the story. Emma is a student. She loves coffee and always goes to her favorite cafe after class. Today, she finishes class early and walks to the cafe with her headphones on. She orders a large iced coffee and sits by the window. She takes out her notebook to study. After 1 hour, Emma gets up to leave. She throws away her cup, grabs her bag, and walks to the bus stop. But when she checks her bag, oh no, her phone is missing. She runs back to the cafe feeling worried. "Excuse me," she says. "Did anyone find the phone?" The barista smiles and says, "Yes, someone gave it to us." Emma is so happy. She says thank you so much and takes her phone. On the bus, she texts her friend, "I almost lost my phone today." The friend replies, "Emma, that's so you." Emma smiles and looks out the window. She says, "What a day." Vocabulary words: order, ask for food or something to be brought. He orders a burger and fries at the restaurant. Walk, moves by putting one foot in front of the other. She walks to school every morning. Get up, stands or rises from a bed or chair. He gets up at 7 a.m. every day. Throws away, puts something in the trash. Lisa throws away the empty bottle. Grabs, takes something quickly or suddenly. He grabs his phone and runs outside. Runs back, goes quickly to the place where they were before. She runs back to the store to get her wallet. Looks out, turns to see outside, usually through a window or door. He looks out the window to check the weather. Now quiz time. Where does Emma go after class? Emma goes to the cafe after class. What drink does Emma order? She orders a large iced coffee. What happens when she leaves the cafe? She loses her phone when she leaves the cafe. Who helps Emma find her phone? The barista helps Emma find her phone. What does she do on the bus? On the bus, she texts her friend. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next class.